Good morning and good morning everybody. It is excellent to be with you today, and I'm so very grateful for this opportunity to be able to hop outside and drop a squat. It is really great to be held accountable by you today, pretty much having everybody watching, making sure that I'm doing the squats every day, makes sure that I get out and I actually do them. So welcome to this beautiful morning. It is crisp, it is cold, it is winter, but that is no reason to not get up and do what we have to do. So welcome to the morning and welcome to the Always Be Squatting Challenge, day number 18 for July. And our theme for July is day by day. That is how I'm taking the squats, that is how I'm taking pretty much most things at this point, because we can't plan too far into the future because of all the uncertainty that is busy surrounding our day-by-day scenarios. So we're at the Always Be Squatting Challenge, day number 18, and remember the Always Be Squatting Challenge is simply just one squat. So the idea is to simply build a consistent rhythm, a consistent routine, a consistent discipline over time of just doing one squat. And if you can do one squat, then do an extra one squat, and then go the extra mile. However far you go past one squat is completely and utterly your choice. So we're just going day by day, and each and every day I'm adding one squat onto. Each and every day I'm just doing one more squat than I did yesterday. And you are most invited to come and join me for that rhythm. So like I said, we're taking things day by day because there is no other way to do a discipline. I can't do tomorrow's discipline today. I can't take responsibility for tomorrow's things today. Tomorrow will have enough troubles of its own. I can't deal with tomorrow's stuff because it hasn't happened. It's not in front of me. I can only deal with today. So today I'm faced with the disciplines that I do. I'm faced with the challenges that I have. And so we just take it day by day. We take it step by step. So welcome to lockdown, day 117. I bet you didn't see that one coming when we first started lockdown. I remember it was supposed to be kind of 2 weeks, and then a month, and then a little bit more, and 3 months plus later, here we find ourselves. And like the squat theme, it's simply day by day. We can't control the scenario, we can't control the circumstance, we just control our reaction to. We control how we deal with this. We can be a victim to it, or we can take advantage of the situation and better ourselves and focus ourselves on the things that truly do matter. So like I said, 117 days in lockdown. That's also the challenge number for today. That's my challenge number, that's my challenge squat number. I'm squatting with the lockdown now. As the lockdown ticks up, so I'm just going to tick along with it. So you're more than invited to come and join me for lockdown squats. So today is the 21st of July 2020, and part of my disciplines, part of the things that I do to keep my days on track, to differentiate one day from the next, to sharpen myself every day, body, mind, and soul. One of the things that I do every day, one of the disciplines I hold, is to read the Proverb of the day, the Proverbs challenge. And that is also an open invite for absolutely anybody to join. It is appropriate for all to get a bit of wisdom on board. So it's basically just read the Proverb of the day. There's 31 Proverbs and 30 to 31 days in the month, so it fits perfectly into my month. And today I was reading Proverbs 21. And the proverb verse that I chose for this morning, it relates nice and strongly to yesterday, which is why I chose it. That's why it kind of spoke to me. So today is Proverbs 21 verse 4, and it says, "A high look and a proud heart, and the plowing of the wicked is sin." Right? I'm really down with all the farming and gardening analogies recently. I'm busy spotting them in the Proverbs, and I'm really enjoying them because of how strongly it relates to the squats. So again, it's Proverbs 21 verse number 4, and it says, "A high look and a proud heart, and the plowing of the wicked is sin." And if I go and I look at yesterday's proverb verse, the one that I chose yesterday was Proverbs 20 verse number 4, and it says, "The sluggard will not plow by reason of the cold, therefore shall he beg in harvest and have nothing." Right? He's going to be hungry. So a high look and a proud heart and the plowing of the wicked, that's sin. Right? Because remember, we agreed plowing is preparation. So a high look and a proud heart and the preparation of the wicked is sin. So if we look at yesterday's, we know that the sluggard will not plow by reason of the cold. So we know that he's going to be hungry. We know that not plowing is not good. Right? We can also see from today's proverb verse that plowing in wickedness, preparing in wickedness, that's also not good. That is sin. And for me, it says it in no uncertain terms, a high look. So when looking down on others, right, and a proud heart. Well, we all know the pride and the prideful side of ourselves. It's our ego. That's the voice that snips in the back of our minds. It's the one that says the nasty things. It's the one that's stubborn. It's the one that's unwilling. It's the one that's unforgiving. Right? That's a proud heart. Right? So a high look, looking down on others, a proud heart, the ego, and the plowing of the wicked, the preparing, the preparations of the wicked is sin. And so the only logical conclusion that I can take from this is to not look with a high look, but to look with a humble look, to not have a proud heart, but to have a meek heart, one looking to serve others, and the plowing of the wicked. All that I can see there is then to plow in righteousness, right? So if I relate this whole farming analogy to the squats, if I relate that every squat is a seed, and you have to prepare your body, and you have to prepare your warm-up, prepare your body by warming up, right? We need to be careful what seeds we are sowing. So let us plow in righteousness. Let's prepare in righteousness. Let's prepare in joy. Let us do our discipline with joy today. So as we're planting these seeds of squats, let's not plant them with a grudging heart. So don't do an exercise, don't do a discipline with grudgingness in your heart, with heaviness in your heart. A discipline should be something that sometimes it's difficult to do, but that brings you joy, that brings you fulfillment, that brings you growth. Alright? So prepare in righteousness, that every seed that you plant counts. Right? So like yesterday said, the sluggard, he's not going to plow, therefore he's not going to have any food. Let us prepare diligently, let us sow our seeds, let us plant the seeds bountifully, and so that we can also reap bountifully. If we sow in joy, we will reap in joy. If we sow in wickedness, that's sin. Right? So like reflects like in life. You can tell a tree by its fruit. Right? If I plant an apple tree seed, I'm not going to get an orange tree out of it. So like reflects like in life. So let us sow squats with a smile today. Let us do our disciplines, let us do the things we have to do, but with joy. Not that we have to do them, but that we're able to do them. If we celebrate the little things, if we celebrate the small victories, then the big things are going to start coming a lot more easily. So let us do today what needs to be done with joy in our hearts, with a smile on our face, and with a humble attitude about us. So I do my 50 warm-up squats, and then I'm going to do 117 lockdown challenge squats. So you're more than welcome to do some warm-up squats with me, or to do your own warm-up quickly. It takes about 2 or so minutes, but just to prepare yourself, just prepare your legs, prepare your mind for whatever challenge you're doing. Remember, really it's just one squat. If you want to do one squat for the day, that's rocking. Do an extra one and then keep going tomorrow. So for the rest, 50 warm-up squats. Remember to breathe. The breathing is more important than pretty much anything else. Let's go. These are just the warm-ups. 1, 2. This is the practice for the challenge. 3, 4. Just make sure that I'm on 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 48, 49, 50, 1. Alright, cool. So that's the warm-up. Remember, just taking 2 minutes to prepare yourself, your discipline, to prepare yourself for your day, to prepare yourself for the task at hand is vital. Connect your body, your mind together. So, let's get cracking. I challenge you to 117 lockdown squats. That's my challenge number for today. I invite you to join me on this climb, and let's rock it. We know we can do it. We're just adding one more from yesterday. Right, let's breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 100 an extra one, 100 an extra one, 100 an extra one, 100 an extra one. So in the end, it's not about massive numbers. It's not about doing 1,200. It's not about huge gains every day. It's not about adding on 100 every day. It's about doing a small daily discipline. It's about getting outside, even if it's cold, and doing what you have to do. It's about doing just one squat. It's about doing just one breath, doing just one repetition, one skip, one something, right? But gain personal momentum into your day. It takes willpower, but it builds momentum. And that is what each and every one of us needs a lot of right now during this lockdown. So remember, let us prepare today in righteousness. Proverbs 21:4. Today it says, "And high look and a proud heart, and the plowing of the wicked is sin." Right? So if we are looking around proudly, if we are looking down on others, if we are sowing these seeds, if we are preparing in anger and in greed, it will not have a fruitful outcome. It is sin. So let us prepare in righteousness. Let us have a meek heart. Let us have a humble outlook on others. So very well done for your disciplines today. Very well done for your squats. Well done for breathing. Remember, it's not 150 squats. It's not 200 squats. It's not whatever you're doing. It's one squat that you repeat as many times as you are willing to. So make each squat the best squat that you are able to squat. Have an excellent and blessed day, everybody. Stay safe, stay sane, stay sensible, and stay squatting. I'll see you tomorrow for more. Enjoy.